Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Working on toned paper is so much fun, especially if you use white and bright colors. So for today's Draw Tip Tuesday, I'll pick some bright colors and draw the ingredients of a classic Italian dish, Insalata caprese. It's a simple dish with just 3 main ingredients, so I'll just need 3 colors actually. I just start anywhere on the page and we'll see where I go from there. I know I want to fill the page in some kind of balanced way, so I just divide my red tomato slices over the page with the plan to draw the other ingredients around them. By pressing harder on your color pencil, you'll create more intense color. With white, I will draw the slices of mozzarella, and after that, leaves of basil. You can do this with your favorite flavor combination too, or with any other subject that's not food related. Draw your favorite art tools, for example, or the plants that you have in your living room, or anything really that interests you. This is a playful way to explore your tools and brighten up your day. I hope this video has inspired you to make some art. And if you want to learn more, visit sketchbookschool.com and sign up for a class today.